A leading AI safety expert just revealed which 5 jobs will survive AI automation by 2030. The answer might surprise you, and it changes everything about your career future. Dr. Roman Yampolskiy is a world-renowned AI safety researcher and computer scientist. He's published hundreds of papers on artificial intelligence risks and has advised governments on AI policy. His predictions about AI's future are taken seriously by tech leaders worldwide. Today, he's sharing critical insights about job security in the age of AI. According to Dr. Yampolskiy, 5 job categories will remain resilient. AI safety specialists, who ensure AI systems stay aligned with human values. Creative professionals whose work requires genuine human imagination. Skilled trades requiring hands-on problem-solving. Caregiving roles demanding empathy and physical touch. And leadership positions needing strategic decision-making. These roles share one thing: they require uniquely human qualities AI struggles to replicate. These jobs survive because they demand creativity, emotional intelligence, physical dexterity, or ethical judgment. AI excels at pattern recognition and data processing, but struggles with genuine innovation, human connection, and moral reasoning. As automation increases, these irreplaceable human skills become even more valuable. Whether you're choosing a career or planning your future, this insight matters. The job market will shift dramatically. Skills like critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and adaptability will matter more than ever. Start developing these now. Consider roles that combine technical knowledge with human-centered skills for maximum security and opportunity. This research is crucial for your future. Subscribe for more AI insights, hit like to support the channel, and comment which job do you think AI will struggle with most.